Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabe Entertainment. Yo guys, I never thought umntu uyoze aphendule ngitata uMosamseleko because sesiqhelisile siziblogger into ba he just ignores us. But hayi sana over the weekend siyayazi mosiba last week bekuyi birthday ka fifth wife ne. And siyamazi ke utata uMosamseleko how big he is on Instagram. Utata uMosamseleko uyathanda ukuposta ifamily yakhe. He's a very proud man about ke umndeni wakhe. But we were all concerned about why utata uMosamseleko engampost uMakhwela especially ngebirthday yakhe yabo. And so we have been waiting, but unfortunately ke kude kwaphela engampostanga. As a result kwatrenda esisithombe enisibonayo apha, that is ke uMakhwela ngebirthday yakhe. But guess what, kwesi sithombe esi utata uMosamseleko is nowhere to be seen. Kwesi sithombe esi utata uMosamseleko, he did not post it on his Instagram account once again, okay, ngumacele ophayana ke. So this is what ke mna ke I posted ne. I said at this point I believe umacele is gogo flow, because how come Chris skipped his fifth wife birthday as per Instagram spies ke sana, but here was umacele celebrating her yena basically as indoda uphi hayi ke sana. And in the end, this is the only Tatu Mosamseleko's Facebook account, and it's even private, guys, to show that it is his account. So kakba uye wayibona ke le posti, and also ke colleagues ziyezan jogel ba is this Tatu Mosamseleko. They came back saying that this is his original account and his only Facebook account ke anayo. Uye wabuya ke sana for the very first time waphendula wathi ukuthi you are disappointed ngoba umacele is doing what you cannot do. Utsho kum ke utata uMseleko into ba mna asoze ndibe kula position kamacele, asoze ndikwazi ukwenza lento ayenzayo, of which shame after ndiposte lo post abantu abaninzi were siding with umacele, saying that vele ngumsebenzi wakhe into ba enze lento ayenzayo kuSamke. She's basically the step husband kuSamke. I don't know how to explain it. Wait, let me just, okay, because ndafela ukuyichaza guys, ngicela ukuvele ndifundele comment ne. So and zininzi ke comments ebezinje. So uthi usisi apha, guys, her position as a first wife is to take over lapho umama or umama zala agcine khona. Her job is to build, unite and make sure that everyone is good. Unfortunately, she can't do that kulaba abambona as an equal to her, but kahle kahle ngumsebenzi wakhe lona umacele. Anyways, do you think that irresponse ka Tata uMosamseleko impoqo, was he trying to get back at me? What are your thoughts? Ndiyacela guys, must engage and surely on my next upload. Bye.